All right.
So let's see how much time we actually have to do this because my microphone's still not working. So I'm updating my phone and seeing if that does anything. But what I have here is my icon box from Ipsy. If you don't know, that's when they give you 8 products and it's curated by an influencer. So let's get to it. I like it a lot because they give you like really good brands. And it's a quarterly thing. So it's not every month. But I think I would just get the quarterly and skip everything else.
Excuse me. She's sick. Anyway.
So, I like the icon box. For some reason this tape is really difficult to get through right now.
All right. It's gorgeous.
Gorgeous, gorgeous girlies.
Gorgeous, gorgeous. So I'm unboxing this with you. After not having refreshed my mind of what I got. I remember I was quite pleased. All right, so first thing,
The little guy.
it's the Tower 28
Super Dew.
Shimmer free.
Highlight
Balm.
So I've liked Tower 28 products I've gotten in the past. I really like their lip gloss. Their lip gloss is nice. And this is like a dewy highlighter. I kind of think it's just probably
Vaseline.
And I did pick this. Can you see it? I don't think you can. I mean, like, I can kind of see, like, it's a little glowy. I do think it might just be Vaseline. But I like Tower 28. And I like cream highlighters. So it's okay. Next up, I have a
Drunk Elephant.
Gem Alpha is shook.
I have a Drunk Elephant Wonder While Miracle Butter. I think it's a
Lotion.
I don't normally get lotion. I'm really bad at using lotion, but it's Drunk Elephant. Again, this is one of my choices. So let's see if I can even smell anything.
I'm gonna break the seal.
Yeah, right now it smells like nothing. I don't know if it's supposed to smell like nothing or if I'm just like really stuffy. Ooh, it's in there. That's a
Thick boy.
hello.
Hello, you little thick guy.
Ooh. Yeah. I mean, it's nice. Doesn't really, I don't think it has a scent.
Maybe Josh will like it.
His hands are perpetually more cracked than mine. I have very soft hands naturally. But he doesn't usually like the products I get because they're usually very scented. So maybe he'll like that. What else? I got a Ren Clean Skincare glycolactic
Radiance.
renewal mask
With AHA.
AHA. I think that means it's like a mask of some sort. Cool. I don't love getting skincare. because I'm
Lazy.
but I bet it's probably very expensive. And then this is a
Silky rinse.
gentle hydrating facial cleanser. I think it's got like a little nozzle on it. Like when I first saw it, I thought it was like a scalp thing.
I like how it smells.
I can like smell it pretty strongly just through the packaging. I do like getting cleansers because if I wear makeup, you know, I gotta use something to get it off. So that's kind of the one thing I can't really be lazy about. Do you want to see the newspaper? The news? The Icon News? I don't normally like read it. And it's all like scrunched up right now. Gwen Stefani was the
Influencer.
this time around.
She seems nice.
I liked the products she picked for me.
You know, she personally picked these products for me.
She saw my profile and picked them all. Sometimes I like to see if there's spoilers for the next one.
There's not.
I don't normally think that they think that far in advance. All right, what else do I have? All right, this little guy. Oh, I think this is a lipstick. I think this is, all right, so this is Gwen Stefani's brand. I don't know if you're supposed to pronounce it some way, if it's like gives, or if it's just GXVE. It's one of the two. I have the shade
Lovable Me.
It's a lipstick. Wow, look at this packaging. It's more of a berry tone. Some of the lipstick got, I mean, that's fine, but just.
I like how it smells.
So this is a kind of a darker shade than what I'm, oh no, it's falling out of the tube! No! You know, of all the things that could go wrong, that's pretty okay. That's pretty. Again, it's a darker shade than what I usually go for. I have so much lipstick, I like can't even like be upset with that. I mean, there's one thing in here that just made the whole box worth it for me, and I will get to that one probably last. So, I'm not that sad. This is a
Dominique Cosmetics.
I've never gotten a
Dominique's Cosmetic
palette before. It's the Essential palette. So,
it's a neutral girly.
So we always love that. This is bigger than what I was expecting it to be, because it's not like that many shades, but it's a pretty nice size palette, so the pans must be pretty big. Wow, look at that. That's pretty nice. I don't normally love when things come with a black shade. I don't usually like to use black eyeshadow. I really just know how to use like felt tip liners, so.
Pretty.
Yeah, I like that. All right, time for an influencer moment of showing you the shades I swatched. Oh, why is this so difficult? Part of it is my lighting. Yeah, you can kind of see it like that. Oh, wow. Wow, look at the shimmer. Wow. It's so cool. Anyway, that's pretty. And then I have it's an ABH
Brow Freeze.
brow styling wax. I really like the clear brow gel, so I don't usually use like brow waxes, but I don't know. I mean, it's ABH, so kind of, I feel like they're like the eyebrow queens.
Eyebrow queens of the world.
Yeah, so look at this girl. It even comes with a little thing I can do with my eyebrows.
So that's nice.
So yeah, it's just clear, and it'll make my eyebrows stick up.
I'm excited.
And then, finally, I think this should be finally, I got this Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation. I hope it matches my face color. This is what I really wanted from this box. Shall we look? Shall we look to see if it'll match my face? It's a pump, so I gotta... Oh yeah, look at that. I think it'll be good. My arm's tanner than my face, and it's a little lighter than my arm. Wow, I'm gonna be so trendy. I got Charlotte Tilbury and Drunk Elephant. The
Middle schoolers are gonna be so jealous of me.
So now here's all my trash. Let's just put that off to the side. I need to clean my little space. It's a mess.
All right, so
To review what I got, I only got I got like 3 skincare stuff, which out of 8 products, I don't mind. So I got like this mask, this cleanser, and then the body lotion. And they're all like stuff that, you know, I'll use more. I have so many moisturizers, like if I dread getting more moisturizer. Just admiring the foundation, how pretty. And I got ABH Brow Freeze. I got Vaseline, aka a dewy highlighter. I got a broken lipstick, but you know, it's okay. I forgive you, Gwen. I got the Charlotte Tilbury foundation. And I got a nice neutral palette from Dominique's Cosmetics. While we're here, do you want to see my Amazon haul that I got? Because I buy things to feel joy and dopamine. I bought microphones, but they haven't been working on my phone, which is what I record on. You'd think I'd be better at tech because that's kind of my job right now. So I'm updating my phone and seeing if that will fix the problem. I got this book because my supervisor was like, I think you'd like this. It will help you understand what you want in life. I was like, that sounds interesting. It didn't come with this package, but I'm getting a Nido fidget because I felt it once from one of the special ed teachers at my school and I desperately wanted one. It's not the Nice Cube, which is what I wanted. That's what I felt. But I couldn't find that at all. So it's the
Gumdrop.
So stay tuned for that. And then recently there was a Happy Planner sale. So I got a bunch of sticker books to include with the other like 50 sticker books that I have. Wow! Look at these. We have color stories. So this is just a bunch of different color stories. I bought the Halloween one. I mean, it was on sale. I know it's February, but eventually it'll be Halloween. I got the spring one, which again, I know it's not spring, but it will be eventually. Happy and Hungry. It's got little foods on them. Miss Maker. Now I can use this because I do crochet. Feels like Sunshine. I like the color scheme. Homebody Seasons. I've been wanting this one for a while. This one's called Watercolor. It's like green and pink. And then this one, what's it called? Softly Modern. It's kind of like blue and golden yellow flowers. Yeah, so that's what I've gotten. Just adding to all of my little collections. Bye.